In Advocates International, there is a push for student ministries like we've never seen before, and we've got individuals who are prepared to roll up their sleeves and work with other Christian legal organizations to spread the message that a Christian worldview is not only appropriate in the practice of law, but it is certainly something that enables students to serve God with all of their heart. In Canada, we've done student conferences for years. It has always been a place where students can join together, band together, where, for instance, each year, one law school volunteers to host a conference. The conferences have been of great help for students to learn to band together and then stand up on their campus for Christ. If they learn to stand up while they're in law school, they will continue to stand up for Him when they practice law.
I would really encourage other Christian lawyer organizations right across the globe to look at student ministries as a very significant aspect of what they are doing. We have literally seen this particular model developed in other countries quite successfully. I would encourage you to take a look at that model. We can help you with it, but make an effort to train the young minds and put them on a path, a strong path, with a foundation of worldview, of the important legal issues that affect our culture. And once they get going in that direction, God is able to help formulate their understanding and to bring clarity to their calling. We've experienced students come through the program, which is only 1 week in Canada, but they've come through the program and it has set the trajectory for their career path and calling. And for some, has taken them on a completely different course.
We've had the honor and privilege of presenting the Christian Legal Institute for law students, professionals, and lawyers across Canada for over 10 years. Looking back over the past decade, we see that it has been a transformational program in terms of investing in the next generation of leaders and influential policymakers. When students begin to understand the importance of maintaining a Christian worldview in all aspects of life, it opens their eyes to a whole new way of looking at the world around them.
We find that the students who go to this institute often come out on fire for Christ, ready to give their entire career in the service of the King. And we see repeatedly students who have done exactly that and have taken to the courts and are standing for Him.
I know for many, the concern is financial. Many lawyer organizations are already struggling to make things work. And so they wonder, how can we then extend this to students? And it's surprising how when you invest in student ministries, others will catch that vision and begin to appreciate the importance of doing this. In fact, we have found that often we have been able to uncover financial support for student ministry when we haven't been able to do that for some of our other initiatives. So again, just get on board, do it, and you will see that God is in it and He'll help you with it.
We're convinced that institutions around the world should be adopting a similar model to train, equip, and invest in the next generation of legal leaders.
If there is no student ministries in your country, I'm going to challenge you to prayerfully consider getting one started. I want you to know that we would be very happy to try to help in any way. There are resources that are available that can help get this thing going. But I'm telling you, by investing in the lives of these students, you will see a return personally that will blow the socks off anything you ever knew. And I just believe that God is in it, and I believe that God will use you to change your country through the students you work with. So our prayers are with you, and we just hope that you'll take up the challenge. Student ministries.